PSI spring, bro. We ain't making no boost. Oh, something happened. I'm not even sure what the fuck just happened, but the car is still driving. It sounded like an intercooler coupling pop, to be honest. Alright, so I really wanted to show you guys. New turbo is on. Exhaust, everything is secure. No more exhaust leaks. It feels like a whole different car, to be honest with you.